I'm going to show you Pittosporum tenuifolium Silver Sheen and Silver Magic. The one you're looking at now is Silver Magic. And the reason I wanted to show this is because this is the afternoon light in my yard. And I noticed that this plant in the last few days is just reflecting light like no plant I've ever seen before. And I just wanted to share that because it's such a special feature of this plant. And that's where the silver name comes from, I presume. And this isn't showing it as well as it seems in person, but there's literally reflection coming off these leaves from the afternoon sun being very low. Here's a close-up of the actual leaf. You can see that beautiful variegation and the very wispy, thin stems that these plants have. So that's Silver Magic you're seeing there, the foliage. And I just think these are really special in the wind as well as the light. And if you set them up in a place, this is Silver Sheen you're seeing here. So you see how light these leaves look? They look like they're almost white. That's because they're reflecting light. That's not because they're actually a light color. You see the green on the left side of this photo, and we're going to close up in a second here. But just a very special plant. You don't see anything that plays with light quite like these do. See, here's the actual color of Silver Sheen. And it's more of a green, very small leaves on very narrow, wispy stems. And then see the reflection again on how light lit up that looks. And then here's just a look at the shrub still photo from a file to give you a sense of it during the normal day. And then here's Silver Magic. So just special features about this plant, and maybe a different way to think about it in terms of how to use it in a design. Not too many plants have features like this, and if you're in an area where your yard lights up in the afternoon or evening, might be a way to play with this in a design.